Hey, good afternoon traders. Uncle Mike here. I'd like to bring to you a new indicator I have. I'm trading the 6E. The indicator is called the price action line. Actually, we just had a trigger right here, but I'll show you after 9:30 on March 9th, Friday, March 9th. These are actual trades that would be taken on March 9th. Let me explain a little bit before what I go through. What I use, it is more of a scalping system. You can go all in, all out. 358 is another methodology that you can use. But remember, most of this is to scalp. So you can use all in, all out at 4 ticks as well. That's the simplest method. It will get you in and out. And let's take a look at that methodology. It's an 8-tick trailing stop and 4 ticks to get in. Like I said, it is a scalping method. What you would be taking is a short. If you have a red line, I'll show you the close of a candle below the black line.
Order filled.
So when we have this red line right here, it's telling us short, and what we're looking for is a close of a candle below the red line. Put your strategy in, sit back, relax. Like I said, in the room, do teach the ATM methodologies, and you can use 3, 4, 5, all in, all out at 4, 3, 5, 8. Try to show you the risk reward of each of those strategies or methodologies. And the other thing that I have in my ATM strategy is that when it trades at the target, and I'll use the 4-tick target, my stop is brought immediately down to break even. So if I don't get filled, it is a break even trade. Alright, all I need is 28 here. Just break this little low.
Target filled.
Okay, there we go. First target filled. We're still looking for shorts, so we'd look for another cycle above and then come down below. I do have another indicator I'm going to introduce in another video. It is a value area line that helps a little bit with this, and you'll see if you're coming into some congestion, and or you can use it for some targets if you do like to use runners. But right now I'd like to keep it simple. I want to break this out and do one indicator.
Order pending.
Okay, right now we're in at a short at 42. So you can be ready, have your limit order in there at 42, and or we're going to wait for a cycle above and then come down below. Now you can use this on any instrument. You do have to take a look at the instrument, how it trades, and then what you're going to use as far as ticks, volume, minute, range. You can use it on any and adapt it to any, but you need to take a look at the price action first, test it on them, and I have on the 6E.
Order filled.
So on the 6E, this is what I've come up with. Now you can see the line has turned green, so we're going to be looking for longs. So that's going to trigger in your head, okay, if this comes down below, we're going to look for longs depending on what happens to our entry here. We either get stopped out, you're still looking for a long, or this will come down, hopefully, and get your target, and then you're still looking for longs, but you're looking for that cycle down through and back up over. Okay, as you can see, my target goes to stop goes
Target
to
filled.
break even, and that did fill my target, so I'm out. I like to use that. It helps reduce the risk on any trade. I've always used that to set my risk reward profile. Okay, so now again, remember you're looking for long. You have the green line, long. So we're looking for a cycle down below and up through. Now, the longs or the shorts on the cycle, it's a market order. So I suggest you be over the market button, and I do help you in the room, help you see and hopefully try to teach you. It just takes practice. Like this was not a decent cycle through. And what you want is a cycle through, and then you want to take it long on a clear candle. If we're taking it short, you'd be taking it short on a red candle, a close of a red candle coming through. Now sometimes these range candles close very quickly.
Order pending.
Alright, know what the green line is, so you can always sit there at the counter trend level, sitting at 27. Okay, in at 27, profits 31. And you can see it moved one tick. I have the 8-tick trailing stop, so it did bring it up one. If you don't get an immediate bounce at these lines, these are price action lines, the likelihood is it goes right, slices right through. And that's what's happening at this one so far. Alright, into the lows.
Stop filled.
Okay, that one stopped out. Now, red line appears, so we're looking for shorts, a cycle above and down below, or the counter trend right now at 34. It is a fairly clear-cut, simple system. You can see I like using charts and or systems without a lot of indicators on it. You don't have to make a lot of decisions. There's another method or way that you can trade this at a touch of the 8. I prefer a cycle through. Okay, now you have to be ready. We've cycled through, so if we get a close,
order pending,
or we're going to be in at 30. There's our counter trend line again.
order
Okay, now green. We're looking for longs. We're waiting for a cycle through, and we have to let this counter trend play out first.
target filled.
Okay, target's filled. Green line. We're looking for a long. Our counter trend now is 16.
Order pending.
Okay, got to be careful. If this comes through with a clear candle, it's a long. Okay, counter trend, in at a counter trend, it's green, so we'd still be looking for a long. Okay, traded at 4 ticks. My stop is back up at 4 ticks. And we'll see if
Target
that's the
filled.
market. Okay, here we go. We're filled. All right, like to stop here. You can see it is 10:08. We've been trading basically a half an hour. Started trading this at 9:30, so it's 10:08. A little over a half hour trading. If you were trading 3 contracts, I would suggest at this level, for me, 337, I would be done trading and be gone for the day. Close your dome down. If you want to practice on something else, go into sim, but be green and gone. I hope that helped you take a look. Just gives you a little peek here behind the curtain of the price action indicator that we've developed. And like I said, I will be showing in another video the value areas that will be added onto this and give you a nice simple trading system. Feel free to give Uncle Mike a call, visit the room. We have open houses. You can come in, take a trial, take a look and see if the scalping system fits your needs. Thanks. Have a great evening, and I'll see you next time.